Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and declutter with me. We're going to be doing lots of cleaning, and then in the second half of the video I'm going to be doing a bunch of major decluttering and organizing, getting rid of a bunch of stuff, getting things better organized. Hope that you enjoy this video and that it gives you motivation. I'm going to start off this day of cleaning by tidying up our bedroom, and then I'm going to take all of the sheets off of our bed and throw those in the washer and get them washing. If you are new here and you enjoy this video, then be sure that you click that red subscribe button down below. It's a way that you can support my channel, and also then you will get notified every time that I upload a new video. I also have an Instagram at Hannah's Happy Home if you want to go follow me over there. Now I'm going to get those sheets going in the washer, and I'm using the Everspring Lavender and Bergamot laundry detergent that I got at Target, and I've had a lot of you ask for me to do a more detailed review on this detergent because you want to try that brand from Target. This was my first time trying the Everspring brand from Target, and I've loved the laundry detergent so far. It does a great job at washing the clothes. I don't really smell the lavender scent very much, maybe a tiny bit, but it's not like super strong. I had two laundry baskets full of folded clothes that I had to put away, and then I vacuumed up the hallway, and then I straightened up the living room. Wasn't very messy in here, just had to put some pillows on the couches. The boys had got some cracker crumbs on the couch, and this is what I love about cordless vacuums. I can just lift it right up on the couch, vacuum off those crumbs, and then go right back to vacuuming the floor. And that vacuum is the Tinyco brand from Amazon. I'll put a direct link to that down below. I love these Lotus trolley bags for grocery shopping. I shared them on my Instagram recently, and I'm actually giving away a whole set of Lotus trolley bags over on my Instagram, and also a whole set of their produce bags. There will be one winner and they will receive both sets of bags. So if you want to go and enter that giveaway, it's still going on over on my Instagram. You can head over there to enter. And the day before, I just bought this backpack hiking carrier for Owen because we're going to be doing some hiking next week when my sister comes out to visit. And I really wanted to get one of these because I knew that Owen wasn't going to be able to hike very far, and then he was going to want to be held. But these are like over $100 on Amazon. So I looked up on Facebook Marketplace to see if anyone local had a used one for sale, and I was in luck. One person had one for sale, and it was actually brand new. She had never used it. They bought it for over $100 on Amazon, and I was able to get it for only $30. I love Facebook Marketplace. It was such a great deal, so I was really excited about that. Hopefully Owen likes riding in it when we go hiking. Okay, so now the entryway and the living room is cleaned and vacuumed. Now I'm gonna start working on cleaning the kitchen. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean off the table, get that all wiped off. Of course, get a candle lit there on the table to get things smelling good. I love having a candle burning in a clean space, just makes it feel even more clean and just cozy. And then I vacuumed the little dining room area. I cleaned this garbage can because there was some stuff spilled here on the front of it. It's a really good thing to just wipe down your garbage can at least twice a week. It's where you throw away garbage, so obviously it's going to get dirty pretty quickly. I just used some cleaner and some paper towels. Then I wanted to clean off these glass sliding doors. These can get dirty pretty quickly with the boys putting their fingers and their mouths on it. I just used some paper towels and then Truman's window cleaner. I love this stuff. As you can see, the bottle's almost empty. I don't usually show me doing school with Kyle in these cleaning videos, but I thought I would just show you a little bit more of real life. Usually while I'm cleaning up the kitchen, I'm teaching Kyle school at the same time, so I'll clean a little bit of the kitchen and then I will go in and help him get started on his next lesson or his next book, and I can just go back and forth from the kitchen to the table. So when I'm cleaning the kitchen, it's just a lot of running back and forth, getting him started on the next lesson, then he can do it by himself while I go and clean a little bit more of the kitchen, just a way that I can multitask. Now I'm working on getting these dishes washed, and be sure that you stay tuned. Here in a little bit I'm going to be doing some breakfast prep, then I'll be making some dessert, and then the second half of the video will be the decluttering and the organizing, so keep on watching. Now that all the dishes are washed and put away, I sprayed down the countertop with an all-purpose cleaner and then I wiped it down. I always like to spray either a all-purpose cleaner or a multi-surface cleaner on the countertops. Let it sit for at least 30 seconds to a minute and then wipe them down. It makes it so much easier. And then I was using 7th generation dish soap to wash the dishes and also to wash the sink here. And going back to wiping off the countertops, these countertops are like tile that has grout in, so it has these grooves where the grout is, and it is so hard to wipe off these countertops. Things get like stuck in the grooves, and yeah, I don't know what the people were thinking when they put in this tile countertop, but it is not easy to wipe off. And then after that, I cleaned the stove using my favorite little stove cleaning kit from Amazon. I'll put a direct link to this down below. It's called Ceramibrite. You get the cleaner, you get the little cleaning sponges, and then you also get this knife scraper that's made specifically for glass top stoves. Now I'm going to prep some breakfast burritos. You guys have seen me make these before, and usually I add crumbled up sausage or diced up summer sausage to these, but I forgot to get either of those when I went to the grocery store, so I am just making some scrambled egg and cheese burritos here. I always prep a couple of these every week to keep in the fridge. It makes it so much easier when I get up at 5:30 in the morning to pack my husband's lunch. I don't have to make eggs and all this kind of stuff. I can just grab a burrito out of the fridge, heat it up in the microwave, wrap it up in foil with his coffee, and he's ready to head out the door. These are also great to keep in the fridge. If I have to head out the door early in the morning to go to town or run errands, I will just grab one of these with my coffee and just take it to go. It's just nice to have these types of things in the fridge. I want to start branching out and making different types of breakfast prep, like maybe some breakfast muffins, different things like that. You guys can let me know your favorite things to prep for breakfast to put in the fridge down below. had some fruit in the fridge that was about to go bad, so I pulled that out to put into baggies and put into the freezer for smoothies. someone that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Angel Rose Turner. She posted in her stories that she made some no-bake cookies and they looked so yummy. So I just had to go and make some real quick because we wanted some dessert. I wanted something quick and easy to make, and no-bake cookies are always a great option if you just want a quick and easy little dessert to get your chocolate fix in. I did follow her recipe, but it was very similar to the one that I usually use, and I think they're usually all about the same basic recipe if you just search on Pinterest or online for no-bake cookies. Okay, so now it's time to get into the decluttering. The first place that I'm going to declutter is this dresser, and then the second place is this disaster of a closet. This is basically the only storage closet that we have in the house that isn't in the bedrooms, and so it has just gotten a little bit out of control. And these dresser drawers are so full of stuff. I didn't clean them out or declutter them when we moved. I needed to, but I never got time to do it, so I wanted to do it before we moved again. And all of the photos that I printed out and my photo albums are all in these drawers, so I was finding a ton of old pictures of us that I had printed out to put in frames and stuff, and then I usually replace the frames with more updated pictures, but I just can't bear to get rid of these pictures. Even though they're on a file somewhere, we keep them on the computer and on hard drives and stuff, but when you have them printed out like this, it's just really special to keep them. Lots of good memories, and that is what is mainly in all of the drawers of this dresser, is just like memory type items. So later on here in a couple minutes, I go out and get a box out of the storage shed, and I just pack all of the memory items that I wanted to keep in there. And I got rid of a ton of stuff out of these drawers too. I was just hanging on to things that I could just throw away or donate. And after a little bit, I finally decided, instead of putting all of the memory type items that I wanted to keep back in the dresser drawers, I might as well just box them up in a box labeled memories. That way I could have these dresser drawers empty, because I technically didn't really need to keep any of this stuff in there. Now I have all of these dresser drawers empty. Like I said, I was keeping a lot of stuff in there that I didn't need to hang on to, things that I could donate or throw away, and then everything else was just basically memory items like photo albums and different things like that. Just went ahead and packed it in a box so that it's ready to move whenever we get to move again. And now I'm working on this closet. This had gotten really bad. Like I said, this is the only storage closet that we have in the house besides the 2 closets in each of the bedrooms, and then we have a few shelves in the hallway, and that is it for storage. A lot of stuff is still packed in the storage room out on the carport, but I did bring some stuff into this closet like coats. I've got a few things up on the shelves, and then I had just set this box just like right in the closet, which was taking up a ton of room because everything in this box is for like parties and wrapping gifts and different things like that. I knew I would want that kind of stuff for Christmas time and for parties, but I went ahead and just left the wrapping paper out, and then I went through the box and then packaged it back up and put it in the storage room because I didn't really need it anymore. We're past Christmas, there's no birthdays coming up, so I wanted to have more room in this closet. I just wanted that box out of there, and it feels so good to have this closet clean now. Last area I'm going to do a little bit of decluttering and organizing in is these shelves that we have in the hallway. I just keep a couple of things in here like extra toilet paper, an extra pillow, we've got some extra sheets and towels and washcloths, different things like that. I just wanted to go through it all, get it a little bit better organized in here, and see if there was anything that I could get rid of. Okay, it's looking a little bit better organized on these shelves, and I was able to free up some more space to fit a couple more things on here. And I love these blue bins. They're such great quality. These came from Hobby Lobby last year. I got them at springtime, and they do have the organization bins again this year. They have like a whole aisle of them. They are part of the spring section, and they're currently 40% off. So if you want some of these cute bins that are really great quality, great for in like a hall closet to store linens or in like a laundry room, you can grab them at Hobby Lobby. They have a couple of different colors, a couple of different designs. And then the last thing I'm going to do in this video is to take those sheets that I washed this morning. It has been a really busy day. I never got a chance to put the sheets back on the bed. It's now like after dark. But this is the last thing that I'm going to do for this video, is to get the sheets put back on the bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you cleaning motivation and inspiration, maybe some decluttering and organizing motivation. If you have a closet as messy as my closet was, then hopefully it gave you motivation to get it cleaned out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to go and enter that giveaway that I have going on over on my Instagram. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home, and thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate your support so much, and I will see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!